Uzungwa Scarp Nature Forest Reserve contains an area of mountain forest within the Uzungwa Mountain Block, which is part of Eastern Arc Mountains. The reserve is located in two regions, Kilolo in Iringa and Mufindi district, and Morogoro in Kilombero district. Special sites features to enjoy at Uzungwa include ecotourism attractions and research activities. As you make a tourist visit to Uzungwa, you will enjoy different types of birds singing all the way inside the reserve. The reserve contains more than 300 species of birds. The Iringa red calabash monkey is another unique attraction only found in Uzungwa Mountains and therefore in the Uzungwa Scarp Nature Forest Reserve. A nice view of Uzungwa escarpment is another unique feature which attracts many tourists when visiting Uzungwa Scarp Nature Forest Reserve. Uzungwa Scarp has a large number of waterfalls that drop from the ridge and into the lowlands. One of attractive waterfalls is Idasi Waterfall, where apart from a nice view of the waterfall, you will also enjoy listening to the voice of water as they fall down and hit the rocks all around the surface below the waterfall. In Uzungwa also there are different places where you can see a nice view of the mountain covered by thick forests. The nature reserve can be accessed from Iringa municipality via Mufindi district through Mapanda ward to Uhafiwa village, which is about 130 kilometers from Mafinga town in Iringa region. The other accessible route is through Mikumi town to Ifakara through Itongole village about 80 kilometers from Ifakara. Welcome to Uzungwa Scarp Nature Forest Reserve.